12. Editing and proofreading. Editing and proofreading is a job that is in constant demand. Written articles, stories, reviews, or even reports need to be proofread, edited, and corrected before they can be submitted. There has been an increase of work due to the number of freelance sites emerging to assist writers, publishers, and students to be able to submit work that is free from spelling and grammatical errors. For some freelancers, this can become a full-time job, although it can also provide an excellent second income. In order to make money proofreading, here are some steps you can take. You can sign up with freelancing sites, apply for jobs, and also provide a profile for others to contact you to offer you work. Some of the positions ask you to bid competitively with other workers, and others you can offer samples of your work to be offered work. Register with job sites such as Indeed, Simply Hired, and Monster Jobs, where you can post a CV showing your qualifications and skills, allowing employers to contact you. Register on websites which provide editing or proofreading services to their customers. Websites that specialize in providing these services include Mulberry Studio, Proofread Now, and WordFirm. Check these sites daily and set up email alerts for suitable positions to be emailed to you. Build your own website to advertise your service to prospective clients. There are proofreading and editors groups, for example, Editorial Freelancers Association, that you can join which offer help and assistance in looking for work. What skills and experience do you need? It is imperative that you have excellent writing skills and a good command of the language you are editing or proofreading. You need to have a good eye for detail, good computer skills, be creative, and be able to write in different styles. Dependent on the work you are applying for, you may need specialized knowledge or be confident in that knowledge. You need to have a computer with up-to-date software and be able to use that software, such as Microsoft Word, with formatting, page layouts, spell checking, and grammar. Be able to use and understand words, different meanings and understandings. Be careful to only submit work that has been checked and double-checked. To adapt your personal style and replicate the style required. How much can I make from editing or proofreading jobs? As mentioned previously, this work can become full-time or used as a second income, and it is possible to earn $5 to $40 per hour, depending on the work being completed. The work may be paid per hour or on completion of the work. Remember, if it is a large project, negotiate a sliding rate rather than wait until the end of the project to be paid. The rate also depends on how specialized the work is. The higher rates earned with academic projects with specialized terminology.